I will guide you how you can remove facial verification on your Binance mobile app or account. For that, just open your Binance app or Binance account on your mobile phone or laptop. Now at the top left side, click on your profile icon. When you click on this, now here just again click on your profile and go to this security section. Now when you click on this security, now here you can see there are multiple options. The first one is pass keys, the second one is authenticator app, and the very last one is email and password. Now in order to remove facial verification, you have to remove this pass keys biometric verification. When you remove this, you will just be log in with your authenticator app or email. Or if you want to remove authenticator app, you can also remove it, and now you will just sign in with your email and password. So this is the way how you can remove your facial or fingerprint verification on Binance app. Thank you for watching.